Happy Easter, everybody. I'm on the path here by the Ebro River doing a bit of a walk, walking off my Easter festivities. It's been a lovely day. We've had a beautiful sunny day and it's a lovely path. So I hope you're all well and that you've had a good Easter and that you've spent some time with family, friends, loved ones. Opened a bottle of wine, hopefully had a little bit of cheer. If not, consider yourself hugged right now and loved. And it's the beginning of a new season with lots of good on the way. Look at all of this beauty. Take care, lots of love. Happy Easter. Aloha.